Are there any quick ways for newbies to improve quickly in the early stages? Let me help you with getting the Hylian Shield today. First, from here, go to the back of the castle. Fly to the entrance of the castle's dungeon. Remember to wear the Major's mask so that the monsters won't attack you. Quickly pass the Guardian in front of you. Come to the iron door. Use the ice maker to lift the iron door. Then, continue walking along the corridor. After entering the iron gate, turn right and you will see the hall, where the strongest shield are stored. Before that, let's equip the switch with its strongest shield. This is the Protescreen AR Plus screen protector. With the AR Plus coating, it enhanced game details display so well. Check it on Protescreen.com today. Clearer image gives me more confidence in my actions. When facing the stone axe, wait until he gets up. Then shoot him directly in the eye with an arrow. After hitting his eye, finish him off with a two-handed weapon will be faster. Its weak point is its eyes, which will fall out after being attacked. Attack the eyeballs to defeat it. It will drop the Great Thunderblade and Royal Halberd. After picking up the weapon, go to the treasure chest. The shield data will change with the hidden score, which depends on your game progress. The deeper you explore, the higher the hidden score will be. Once the hidden score reaches a certain threshold, the weapon you obtain will have corresponding special effects. If your hidden score is high, you can also reload the game to increase your score. If you want to reload the game later to get better shield data, make sure there are no empty slots for shields in your backpack before opening the treasure chest. I recommend trying this reload method in the second playthrough. If you want to take it immediately to support your early game experience, leave one shield slot empty. This method can greatly enhance your game experience in the first playthrough.